My name's Ed Uehling. I'm from Valparaiso, Indiana, and I'm the co-founder of King Tailgates. King Tailgates, we make upgraded aftermarket replacement option for your standard OEM tailgate. So what that means is that we take a standard tailgate, and we cut a horizontal plane across that top vertical edge, open it up like a clamshell, and inside we enclose a couple of seats, removable speakers, some removable cushions, and a couple of cup holders to make your experience on the back of the tailgate a little bit more comfortable. We've got a wide market, but pretty much anyone that owns a pickup truck that appreciates innovation and wants something a little bit cooler at the back of their truck. The KT1, our first model, is primarily geared towards tailgaters, but we've got lots more in the works. We've got tailgates that are going to be coming out with fishing pole holders, gun cases, lockable storage, inverter racks, all sorts of stuff. So there's all sorts of different things that we can conceal within the tailgate under the protection of our patent. So we're looking forward to expanding our line and kind of getting into some of that. But our market is just about anybody that owns a pickup truck. We've gone from being able to do about 3 tailgates that we planned on doing 3 models to we can do any tailgate that you can think of. I can do anything from a 2009 F-150 to a 1970 C-70. Boy, this business is just everything to us. I'm sure that's kind of a cliche answer, but we've just put everything we have into this for the last 5 years, and just we can't wait any longer to have this thing come to fruition. So we're really excited, and it's meant the world to us so far, and we're really excited to see where it's going to go in the next year.